We have let the chickies out. All 15 of them are out. They were originally locked up in this little building. They had a little bit of fenced up. No more. There is no cages for them out here. I think they like it. I think they like it quite a bit. There's Trevor.
It's just like a whole, like...
Channel off of chickens? Yeah.
They've already claimed it.
There's some poop. Just a second ago, one of the chickens lunged at another one. It was so funny. I wish I got it on camera. Here's Rat. She's here with us today.
I'm always here.
Yeah. But we have chickens out. All 15 of them
Oh
are
my god, they're in the coop.
Yeah. We have some grass over there. Vulture? Yeah.
We're not dead. Where are we?
It's not
It's really
showing
hot
itself.
today.
Yeah, it is. I love chickens.
It's probably copyright on.
Yeah, it is. It really is. Hi, you're Panda. So,
That one
Panda,
just shot something off.
that's Goldie right there. There's Peaches,
Trevor and Graham.
Trevor, Graham, and Latte.
Tips.
Tips,
Caramel.
Caramel. Don't ask us how we know these names. Chicken
Nice.
turds.
Yeah, more on this one. You're still filming.
Yes. You can take the camera though.
Look how happy they are. They're so happy. I'm just Logan's cameraman all the time.
Yeah.
I'm just your cameraman. Ah, that's my foot!
In this case, it's camera. Hey, Tipsy.
There's Tips. There's Peaches. Think that's Raven?
Yeah, this is Raven.
We need one for that one. That black one.
Mother likes the black one. Hello.
We are putting that down. We're adding dirt to it so it holds the fence down and nothing can dig under it. They're so happy. There's Trevor. He's a pretty one. They don't even know it's their coop. They don't even know it's the coop. They're so confused. Hello. Hello. Which one do we need to name? This one or that one?
Oh, no.
I think this one's Raven.
I might be going on there.
It's hot.
Hey, don't eat that. That's metal.
What are they eating?
It's like a porridge shell.
Let's see.
the mystery of the odd.
It's not focusing. Alright, this is about as good as I can get it to focus. Doesn't smell like gunpowder. I have no idea what it is.
I'm leaving. This is gonna be a rat video. Bye.
No, I don't want it to be one. No,
Yep.
come back. Come back. This is weird. Come back. Oops. Oh, I may or may not. A fight happened, and I didn't get it on camera. What's up? Hello. Looking completely left me. Oh my gosh, I'm so shaky right now. There. Just completely left me. So, back to me and the chickens. They have really not adventured much away from the coop, which is kind of sad. Our last group of chickens, we had 10. We got 15 this time, but our last group was like all over the place. It was so funny to watch. And we would try and ride our bikes up and down the driveway, and they'd get in the middle of it. They liked to annoy us. Last time we only had 2 breeds, and this time we got 5, I think. We got some called Starlight East Draggers, and then Barred Rocks and Morons, and we've had Rhode Island Reds before. That's, I think, those. The East Draggers and the Rhode Island Reds look almost the same, so we're not really sure. And then the really bright ones, like that one, the really bright yellowy ones, the one over there, are, I think they're called Gold Comets, and I have no idea whichever it is. So it's really hot out here today, though. So I'm not sure how long this video will be. I think I'm just going to set up a time lapse for y'all where y'all can watch it, and anything interesting that happens I'll try and get on film. Bye for now.